How's it going, everybody? My name is Jim, and welcome to FSD Driver. Today we're driving in 12.5.4.2. We are in a Model 3 Hardware 3 car. No, I have not received any updates. I did not get a Christmas update. I don't have the native Apple Watch support. I don't really need it. I use a third-party app called Tessie that has had watch support for years, both on Android Wear or Wear OS. It also had Apple Watch support on there as well. So I've been using my watch as a key for a long time. For those Android users out there, I will make a video. I've already recorded it. I just need to put it together. I'm going to keep it kind of raw though, of how to basically hook up your Wear OS to this Tessie app and then use it as a key for your car. You can also control your car. And no, these are not sponsored videos. This is just an app that I bought outright because I thought it was amazing. It also has a lot of features that Tesla still does not have in 2025 in the application. It also gives you a lot of things like controlling a fleet of Teslas if you have more than one of them. So very cool application. I will make that video and I will be posting it later this week. So definitely subscribe and check back on my channel when I post that video. Now on this drive, it's pretty much a flawless drive. This has been very good in the areas that I have normally been driving, so daily routines, things like that. There is one point in this drive though, however, where the car for some reason will just not move over to the lane it needs to be in to take the exit. Now, I don't know if this is because of construction or whatever, but at the last second, I decide to break it out, cross the double white line, and then just get into the off ramp that I need to be into, because honestly, I don't want to wait in traffic anymore. If I would have waited longer, sure, I could have took the next ramp up, but why add a bunch of time to my actual commute? I had somewhere to be at a certain time, and I was not going to let the car cook this time and see what it does. It knows it needs to move over. It just waited to the last second to do this. Now, in other versions, this would be a constant thing, but in 12.5.4.2, it's been a lot better. Just this one intersection, I would say it's an edge case. It could be because there was construction cones and things around it. I'll let it slide this time, but it was still nice to be able to just rip it out of FSD, put it back in FSD, and then have a flawless drive. Now, as you guys watch this video, just pay attention to how the car moves throughout the traffic. There is one thing I do want to mention though in this version. I believe it's also in the version 12.6 on Hardware 4 cars, or people who've had that version have already said, hey, the car will stay in the left-hand fast lane, and even though there's a car behind you going faster than you, the car just kind of refuses to move over. Where in older versions like 12.3.6, if you were in the fast lane and there was cars behind you, the car would naturally move over into a slower lane and let those cars basically pass you. It doesn't seem to be a thing with this version that I'm driving, and I started noticing it more and more as cars are actually passing. I've gotten the bird, I've gotten honked at a couple of different times, but again, I just kind of let my car cook, and I'm sorry for anybody that I've caused problems with, but I really just want my car to do what it's supposed to do, and in this version, it just doesn't seem to have that feature. So I'm going to stop talking. You guys will shortly see me take over and then put it back into FSD. That's just so I don't miss the turn. But until next time, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.